Hi guys, TAPME forms are out, so this gave me the opportunity to make this video. So we'll talk about everything about TAPME, right from the college, right from the placement report to everything, fee structure, and in the end we'll compare the ROI whether you should apply or not. So we are looking at the almost 50-acre campus, which is half of the size of IIM Ahmedabad, in the lush green area in Manipal. So that's what campus is all about. The college started in 1980 and the first batch started in 1984 in the Manipal MIT campus. Then they moved to their own campus later on. And today we also compare TAPME with the new IIMs, baby IIMs, IMT Ghaziabad, IMI 4 in all these colleges in this video. From the ranking point of view, I believe TAPME is among the top 30 to top 40 ranked colleges. So I would band it in band C, which is below, of course, the main IIMs and the new IIMs, but above Chota Mota colleges. Alright, so let's start with the first part of the day today. So the first thing I want to talk about is the admission process, the cutoffs. So if you have work experience of less than 20 months, you will be going for the cutoff with 85 percentile, ZAT, CAT score accepted and GMAT score. Graduation 10, 12, all of them should be 60, 60, 60. Please note, you need to have 60, 60, 60 in all of these three things, 10, 12 graduation. Cutoff with 85, but I believe 90 percentile if you have a very good chance to convert. So 90 plus is a very good chance to convert, provided of course how you do in the interviews. Yep, for the work experience candidate, people who have work experience, so as of March 31st, 2021, so even if you have 18 months of work experience today, it's fine because by the time March comes, you will be having two years of work experience. You will be having the profile based shortlisting at TAPME, valid CAT at GMAT score, valid score, there's no cutoff. But I believe 80% is required. 10, 12 graduation, overall academic performance will be checked, work experience will be checked, extracurricular activity, state level, national level, international level, and your statement of purpose. Statement of purpose क्या होता है वो सब I'll make the video, I'll tell you for that, I will take care of that. बस you just subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Alright, what do you mean by profile based call? The profile based calls is something like when you have either one of the three things. Either you have good work ex, so this is for the people who are above 20 months of work ex for TAPME. Yeah, you have a good academic record which is 70, 70, 70. I consider 70, 70, 70 to be a good academic record from the TAPME point of view. A valid score, decent score of 70 percentile or 80 percentile, let's keep a target in CAT or ZAT, 80 percentile, and work experience or any of the extracurricular activity. If you have any of these things, you are counted as a profile based candidate. Yeah, you will get a call even at 75. There's no cutoff. You will get a call for everyone. But to convert, I think 80 percentile is a good percentile which anyone can maintain, which anyone can get aram se thoda hard work karke. We still have time for the CAT exam. Okay, from a GDPI point of view, there's an English proficiency test which will check your listening, writing and reading skills. So for example, IIMS is only conducting the essay writing. Here we have other things as well. So moderated GD. So there will be a moderated GD of only 6 people based on the current affair and issues of the last 5 years. Now this looks like a SP Jain wala GD, where there's a group interview come a group activity kind of thing going on, and then there's a personal interview. These three things are going to be there after you get shortlisted for phase 2. Yep. So once you move to the phase 2, these are things they are going to check for this thing. So there's a slight change here. So in case you get a call, we will take care of that. In case you're joining our program, so do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Moving to the validity of the scores. Now weightage. Written test score weightage is only 35%. Fine. 10, 12 graduation 15%. GD 42% and gender diversity and extracurricular activity 8%. So we have the breakup here. Now 35% is the only weightage breakup here for the. So if you've got 99 percentile, even if you've got 80 percentile, so the gap is 20 marks. But 35% weightage means almost 1/3. So gap is only 6 marks, which you can anyway cover in the good interview. So everybody have an equal chance. Application fees of the college is 21,000 rupees plus 18% tax, 1 program. Then 2 program, 3 program, 4 program. You can select as many number of programs. Programs kya we'll talk about in some time. So you have to decide how many program you want to apply. The main flagship MBA program and banking. These are the 2 main programs at TAPME. Moving to the placement statistics. Important dates, sorry. So important dates point of view, TAPME, October 15 is the start date. Then admission process closes on December 11. So you have time after the CAT exam also to apply. I want to think about this after the CAT exam. यार कैट देख के आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा. पोस्ट कैट रिजल्ट्स एंड पोस्ट दैट रिजल्ट्स, communication about the process round 2 shortlist. Then stage 2, the December 15 announcement हो जाएगा. First announcement will be, final selection will be on March 22nd and July 21 will be the start. Placement point of view, they have shown a decent record the last few years. Overall 11.5 lakh package. Yeah, for the general category, for the general PGDM normal MBA, and last year was 11.1. So 11.5 is the average salary. Banking finance have done a better salary than them. For banking people, the average was 12.7. I think the main reason for that is the small batch size. We'll talk about the batch size in some time. So average is 11.5 lakhs at TAPME. And where they got placed, banking sector 28% highest, consulting 25%, FMCG and retail 12%, IT, analytics and e-commerce 30%, and manufacturing or core companies 5%. So that's a breakup they have. The maximum people have gone into IT analytics, and number 2 banking finance, which is, trust me, if you are interested in finance. So we can see here the college is towards biased towards banking. Seat distribution. Now this is the main thing here. For the PGDM general main program, 310 seat, 310 seats, and tuition fees is 7.55 lakhs per year. Yeah, for the main flagship program. For the banking finance, number of seats are 60. And fees 7.55 lakhs per year, same thing. For HRM, HR course, fees is 30 lakhs. The flagship program according to them is now banking, which have a more average salary than the normal MBA also. And marketing, number of seats are 50. Yeah, how many people have got placed in marketing, they have not told us here, but we can assume to be the average around 11.5. So I'll take that number into consideration. So these are the total number of seats. So if I add them up, total number of seats come out to around 450. So batch size is 450, which is a slightly larger batch size. See, IIM Lucknow also have 500, but that is IIM Lucknow. Here in this college, because of this thing, I think the average is going down to 11.5. Fee structure for the college, one per year fees is 7.55. For 2 years, it come out to be 15.10. And hostel fees is 1.55 and 1.65. So if I add them up, 15 plus 3, almost 18.3 or 18.5 lakh is the average package of the college. Now 18.5 is the fees and average salary is 11.5. So ROI point of view, the college is slightly less. क्योंकि 18 लाख देने के बाद 11 लाख का पैकेज मेक नो सेंस फॉर मी. Sydenham College on the other hand, 2 lakh का fees and average is 12 lakh. Now if I compare with new IIMs, baby IIMs, of course baby IIMs will take a lead because they are better. But this college can be compared with IMI 4, TAPME. TAPME can be compared with Goa Institute of Management as well. So now you decide whether you want to apply or not to apply for this college. I've given the complete details. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.